In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your NVIDIA graphics card run better. So if you want to maximize the performance of your NVIDIA GPU, there's actually a few settings that we can do to achieve this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is just head over to an internet browser and type in NVIDIA app download and hit enter. Then click on this top search result, which is download NVIDIA app, and go and press this download now button. And once this is finished downloading, we simply need to open up the application. Now from here, you can just go through the steps on the screen to install this app to your system. And once it's finished installing, simply open up the application like so. Now, once you're on the application, click on drivers from the left-hand side, click on the drop-down arrow next to driver. And if you're using your computer mainly for gaming, then you want to select game ready driver and then click on this download button here. If, however, you're using your computer for more general purposes like software editing and that kind of thing, then you can select studio driver and we can also click on the download button. And once this has finished downloading the latest driver, you just want to go and click on this install button. Now, once you've done this, click on system from the left hand side, click on performance, and where it says automatic tuning, make sure this feature here is turned on. And this is basically a built-in tool by NVIDIA to overclock your GPU. Now, this is a really important tool for getting the maximum performance out of your NVIDIA graphics card. So once you've done this, you can close out of the NVIDIA app, and we're going to right click somewhere on our desktop and click on show more options and select NVIDIA Control Panel. Now click on adjust image settings with preview in the top left hand side here and click on use the advanced 3D image settings. Then scroll down to the bottom and click on apply. Then in the left hand side, click on manage 3D settings. Make sure your preferred graphics processor is set to high performance NVIDIA processor. Make sure ambient occlusion is set to performance. Then scroll down to low latency mode and we're going to change this to ultra. Then click on open GL rendering GPU. Click on the drop down arrow and select your NVIDIA graphics card. And the last thing you want to change is where it says power management mode. Click on the drop down arrow and we're going to change this to prefer maximum performance. And once you've changed all of these settings, click on apply at the bottom down here and then go ahead and restart your computer. And just like that, we have now applied the best NVIDIA settings for your NVIDIA graphics card. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.